In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or block cookies in Chrome in a quick and easy way. This is a useful setting if you want better website compatibility, more control over your privacy, or you're trying to fix a site that isn't loading correctly. Whether you want Chrome to allow third-party cookies or block them for a more privacy-friendly setup, I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance and performance. From here, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps all the important controls related to browsing data, site permissions, cookies, and tracking protection. Now, inside Privacy and Security, find and click Third-Party Cookies. Depending on your Chrome version, this option may appear directly in the list or inside a Cookies and Site Data section. Once you open it, you'll see the options that control how Chrome handles third-party cookies. If you want the most compatible browsing experience, choose Allow Third-Party Cookies. This can help certain websites, logins, embedded videos, and shopping carts work more smoothly. If you want a better balance between privacy and functionality, choose Block Third-Party Cookies. This helps reduce tracking across websites while still keeping Chrome usable for most browsing tasks. After selecting the option you want, the change is usually saved right away. There's no need to restart Chrome in most cases, but if a website still doesn't behave correctly, refreshing the page or reopening the browser can help apply the setting properly. A quick tip here. If you block third-party cookies and a site stops working, you can always come back to this same menu and switch it back to allow them. That gives you full control, and you can change it anytime based on what you need. So just remember the path. Three dots, Settings, Privacy and Security, Third-Party Cookies, then choose either allow or block. And that's it. You now know how to enable or block cookies in Chrome in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.